Hi Arif, how are you?
I am great, Arohi.
Yeah,
Thank
my
you. You
name
have
is
a
Arohi.
fantastic, by the way. You have a fantastic name. What does it mean by your name, Arohi? Can
It
you please?
means ascending. It means ascending.
Sorry,
It means ascending.
ascending. I see. I
Yeah,
see. That's
yeah.
cool. That's really cool.
It's a Hindi word. So
India. Well, I knew.
yeah.
Yes.
You want to introduce yourself or should I start?
Yeah, it's up to you. I want to know about yourself. Come on.
Okay. Okay. My name is Arohi, as you know, and I'm
Yes.
from Lucknow. I
Yes.
completed my post graduation in economics. Yeah,
Yes.
that's it.
And what like what is your purpose? We are making videos on YouTube. Like you wanted to be influence the people, or you wanted to learn
Yeah,
fluent English.
both. Actually, both. My first, my aim is to just be a fluent English speaker, and the second
Yes.
is obviously I want to inspire people also that English can be even if you are not uh, from the English medium school, you can learn the language. So yeah,
Yes.
that is my aim.
Yeah, that's really great. Like you are influencing everyone in India. That's fantastic.
Yeah.
That's good.
I saw your video few months ago, and I really inspired by your video because I thought you are doing such a great job by just connecting to your subscribers and
Yes.
also teaching them. So that's very good. So
Yes.
yeah,
I am trying my best to influence them.
yeah,
Through my video, through call, through video call, through giving
yeah,
them a message, providing them ebooks. There are lots of thoughts you can help them. But the main thing is that we are here. Not only you, we both are, and the other people are there. We are influencing other people. That if we can learn, if we can do, why don't you them? Why don't they them? Anybody
yeah.
can. Anybody can. It's
So,
just the language.
what is your motive to learn the language? I
Well,
mean, you are just I mean, it is just your hobby, or you actually want to do something by learning the English, or you want to apply in a job or something?
no, I don't want to apply any job, but I have a big motive behind that. I
Okay.
don't want to stay here because it's recording on, but I'll let you know later on. But it's a huge, humongous motto. That I want to
Wow,
do something. Yeah, that's
that's
why
very
I am not only learning. I want to be a master in English.
yeah. Same here. Actually, I also want to become master and fluent English speaker. So yeah, that is my aim too.
Yes,
Because
yes, that's very
my whole life I all I have been running. Uh, I didn't make efforts to learn the language, but I just realized that it is so important to in today's world, especially to learn the language because you don't get opportunity if you don't know the English language. Uh, because especially in private sector, as you know, you won't succeed enough if you don't know the English language.
yes. You are right. English is the most important language wherever you go. Not only in India, in any country.
Yeah.
English is requirement. So who influenced you to learn English, Arohi? Someone
Actually,
influenced?
nobody influenced me. I studied in an English medium school, but or not a convent school. I studied in a government English school because my father he was in army. So because of the posting and all, so I can't study in a convent school. I can only study in a government English school. So I always wanted to learn the language, but I don't know how to start my journey to learn the language. Uh, I, Before that, I can read, write, and understand in English very well, but I was not speaking that much. That much. So it's been 2 months. I started speaking. So yeah,
Mhm.
So it's
Like,
yeah, please.
yeah, please complete. Please complete.
It's been 2 months. I started my journey through Clap and Go. I started,
Yes.
yeah. So it's helping me with my English a lot because I got the confidence of speaking the language, which is the most important thing. Because before that, I was not confident while I speak English. But but yeah, now I'm day to day improving.
Yeah, that's great. Likewise, you have so many people. Likewise, you have so many people. They said that we can write, we can listen, we can read, you know, but why? But we cannot talk. So they don't know how to start and when to start. So can you please tell your experience to me that I can tell them that when and how to start? You know?
Okay, as I told you, I started my journey with the Clap and Go session, especially the speaking part. Although I am learning the language since my childhood, I guess. I mean, I don't
Yes.
remember the particular days when I started the learning the language, but yeah, I was not aware. I always know that I should work on my English, but I never make efforts before that. Since February, I started making efforts that I have to start speaking also, because before
Mm.
that I was just reading, writing, and listening. That that is only the things I was doing. So yeah.
Yes, yes, I see. I see. That's great. So it means that if somebody wants to start their English journey, start speaking. It doesn't
Yeah,
matter Cambly or with anyone. Start speaking. Start
yeah.
now. Start from now.
Yeah, because my subscribers also, they also ask me questions. Where should I start my journey? So I always tell them, just start speaking. It doesn't matter you are speaking in a correct way or you are making any grammatical mistake or not. It doesn't matter what other people are thinking about you, even if you are making a mistake. The important point is you should start speaking because this is the first step. So yeah, and I also suggest them to surround yourself with the language. Uh,
Mhm.
just start watching movies if and listening music and start reading books. The simple book, not the complex one.
Mhm.
The simple book. Just start from
Mhm.
somewhere. So yeah,
Yes, yes. For those like we are talking about the people, I have created WhatsApp groups for helping them, to giving them, the providing them a partner, especially even for ladies as well. I have created a WhatsApp group for ladies, especially for ladies as well. So no gents are allowed because of their privacy. So I have
yeah,
created some groups. So, they can talk to each other and learn, share their knowledge, explore each other.
yeah. You
That's
are
what
doing a great job, I must say. You are doing a great job, and I really inspired through your videos, and that is the reason I wanted to connect with you, so that other peoples also get any benefit from our videos also.
yes, if we can, anybody can. This is the
Yeah,
slogan, I think.
yeah.
Yes. So Arohi, have you had a food or not?
Yeah, I have written just before the video call. What about you?
Yes. Well, I have eaten as well.
What you have eaten? Okay.
Yes, I have taken. I have taken. I have eaten. I did. I had whatever it is.
Sorry,
What?
I didn't inform you about the session before because I thought you told me that we should do the session at the 9 a.m. Morning. But I thought I'm free right now. If you are free, then we should join today only.
Well, the moment you have messaged me, I was in Dubai.
What?
But
Okay, you are
one of
in
my
Dubai. Where you are living right now?
no, 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 no. One of my subscribers, he called me from
Okay.
Dubai. I was talking with him.
Okay.
That's why I said I was in Dubai. The moment you messaged me, I was in Dubai, in Abu Dhabi.
Okay. That's great. So how was the
So,
experience in Dubai?
yeah, it's good. It's good. I got so many calls from Dubai and around the world. I got so many calls every day. I got lots of calls. I'm trying my best to help them out every day as
Yeah,
far as I can.
really good. So,
Yes.
so how you started your journey, and how the this thing came in your mind that you should learn English? So, are you interested since your childhood? You are interested in the language, or you just started a few months back?
No, no, no. I am interested in the languages, not only particularly English. I am interested in
Yeah.
the languages. My
Okay,
hobby to learn something new. It's my hobby. So
that's
nowadays
very
I'm
good.
putting more effort. I don't know why, but nowadays I'm putting more and more effort to enhance my English. And there is a reason. I found some reason behind that. That's why I'm putting more and more effort.
So,
I'm
are
working
you
very
a
hard.
polyglot? I think you have that
I
ability to grasp easily the language.
yes,
The
yes.
reason
Quick
you are able
learner.
to speak multiple languages.
Yes. You could say quick learner as well. Quick
Yeah, you
learner.
are good.
I don't know. I'm a quick learner. What? But I enjoy. I am
No,
enjoying,
you
and I
are
enjoy.
no. You are quick learner because I think you have studied in which class you have studied, till which
Which
class you
class?
have studied.
Yeah, I have 10th class.
See, that is the reason I'm saying you are a quick learner because you, even if you have studied till 10th only, you are such a good speaker. So
Yes.
that is the reason you are quick learner.
So I am not afraid. I am not afraid while speaking with other people. I'm not
Yeah,
afraid at all. Wow. Most of the
you
people
are
they
a
are afraid.
confident person because
Yes.
yeah, the confidence which you had, many people don't have that confidence.
Yes.
That is the reason they are not able to speak the way they want to speak. So
Yes.
yeah, that is the reason. And you had that confidence. That is why you are such a quick learner.
Yes. Because of I have a confidence. You know. But even though most of the people they can speak fantastic English, but they don't have the confidence while speaking with other people. That's why they hesitate, and whatever they want to say, they forget to say. And the later on, they remember, oh, I have forget to say what I'm trying to say in the meanwhile. You know, so
Yeah,
that's the
so
main
true.
thing. Confidence. You know, nothing gonna
I
happen.
think
We this is our
confidence, in my opinion, you don't have a fear because I think you don't care the people might judge you or not. That is also the reason you are fearless person. I think, in my point of view, because some
yes,
people, especially I studied in an English medium school. Even though I have studied in an English medium school, people around me will judge me if I spoke any incorrect word. So
yes,
that is the reason some people are not making efforts to speak the language.
yeah. They afraid. They are afraid,
They
and they
are,
feel shy.
yeah,
You know,
they
they
feel
they do not afraid to be, they wanted to feel embarrassment with in front of their student, front of the student, the colleague or friends or whatever it is. So that's the main reason they are afraid to speak.
so okay. So where do you live?
I live in Surat, Gujarat.
Surat,
Gujarat.
Gujarat. Wow.
Gujarati છું. Gujarati છું.
So are you okay? Are you okay? You are from Gujarat only, or you are just living over there?
No, no, I'm from Gujarat.
Okay.
I'm
Actually, my chachu, my uncle, he was also living in Ahmedabad, Gujarat.
yes. Ahmedabad, it's far away from here, approximately
Yeah,
300
I
kilometers.
know that. I'm just, yeah, I know that Surat is a different city and Ahmedabad is also a different city. I'm just pointing. You said that you are living in Gujarat. That why I am saying that.
Most of the people they don't know. They when I said I live in Gujarat, they said in Ahmedabad. When I said Surat, Surat
Oh,
is the place of from
different
Ahmedabad.
place.
Different
Surat
city.
is famous for saris, I guess. The embroidery saris, they are famous for that. So yeah.
Yeah, embroidery sarees and chemicals and raw materials and diamond as
Yeah,
well. We call this diamond city as
yeah,
well.
this,
Diamond
yeah.
city.
This, famous for diamond also.
Yes, yes. Then Arohi, tell me something about yourself. What's going on nowadays? What are you doing? What's your hobbies nowadays? What you do
Uh,
in a free time?
I'm working on my English and watching a lot of movies because I want to learn the language. So that is also the reason I watch a lot of English Hollywood movies. Apart from that, I also read about the current affairs, the situation which is going on in our country and around the world. So yeah, these
Yes,
are
yes.
the things I do in my spare time.
Yeah, and after becoming a master in English, what's your plan then? What's your plan?
Uh, Master in English. As I don't know, you know about my channel or not? Yeah. So I opened my channel so that I am able to help other people also. Uh,
Mm.
and if they can motivated through my videos, that is also my aim. But learning the language is always my I mean, it was always in my mind, so that's why I'm doing that. And apart from that, also want to pursue my fitness journey. I have also fitness regarding the fitness. I want to open a channel regarding the fitness also. Although I'm a still learner in the fitness part also. So yeah, that is the two things which I'm currently thinking about doing in future.
Do you have any channel on Instagram?
I don't
Instagram?
have a channel. Yeah, I do use Instagram, but I don't have any channel. Are you asking about the fitness?
Yes,
No, no,
as you
no.
told.
I have a normal channel, not regarding any fitness and all. But yeah, I
And
want to start it.
yeah, that's great. That's really amazing. It's fantastic. I'm really, I'm feel so happy. I'm feel so privileged that you have chosen to me to talk. That's a fantastic stuff for me. Thank you.
No, no, I am very lucky. You are the famous RF auto wala. I am very lucky that you have a time to talk to me.
Okay, do you think I'm a famous? What do you think? Do you think I'm a famous?
Yes, you are famous. You are famous. I've seen your so many videos. People just praise you so much.
What
So
people say
you are
about me?
famous.
I don't know anything, but what people say, you tell me.
You don't read the comment section.
Well,
People are so praising you that you are doing such a great job.
yes, yes. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. I want to thank you guys. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you, Arohi. Thank you. Thank you very
Yeah,
much. Yeah. Want to ask me anything more related to English or anything? I'm creating something big, something big. It, you know,
that's
soon I will
really good.
unveil. Yeah, soon I will reveal from the people. This is for you people. I'm creating especially for you people, but it take long. It's taking little bit. Well, this is for you people. I'm creating especially for you people, but it take long. It's taking little bit more time because of the coronavirus.
Yeah, yeah, I can
So pray
understand.
for me. I want to say people pray for me that I'm in trouble, little bit in trouble. So
Okay.
this is what I want to say to people.
Uh, I hope you will succeed what you are thinking about.
Yes, yes, I will
You
definitely.
will
But
definitely succeed.
yes, yes, yes. Thank you, Arohi. Thank you very much, dear. And
So,
I
anything you want to ask about me, so you can ask.
no, I wanted to visit again your channel after this thing, after this part. I wanted to visit again. I wanted to be on your channel again one more time, if you don't mind. I'll let you know
Yeah,
soon.
yeah, sure. Yeah, yeah,
I want
sure.
to con- I want to convey one message to the audience through your channel, through my channel, and through other channel as well. That whatever I have created, I wanted to explore with the people. That's why I wanted to be on your channel one more time again.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
So, okay.
Thank you
So,
then.
we,
Signing off.
uh,
Soon,
yeah,
inshallah.
it was really
One more.
nice talking to you. अरे
Same here, same here. Yeah, same here. Take care, Avi. God bless you. God bless you and your family
you
as well.
too.
Take care. Bye. Bye.
Bye.